Buddy! There?
Buddy, this way! Buddy, what have I done?
What's this? What's this? No, he doesn't like that ball.
What's this, buddy? Buddy! Buddy!
He's eating leaves again. Right.
No! I'm coming.
It's freezing cold out here.
Don't eat anything, boy.
Wait, he didn't put his lead on.
Yeah, no. Treats don't bother him. Was he? Look.
Do you want a treat?
Treat? Yeah. So treats is to get him back.
Yeah.
Buddy!
No. He can jump up and down steps now. Oi! God, buddy, walk into me, why don't you? Buddy! Oi! I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
I'm coming! I'm coming!
Oh, he's got his ball now, never mind.
I'm coming! I'm coming!
Oi! He's got a balloon wrapper. No!
Buddy, look, what have I got? Treat? Come on! Buddy?
God, it's freezing cold.
Mia!
It's the day before Christmas, where Buddy goes mad.
Buddy, treat?
Do you want a treat?
Stop eating grass. Look what I've got.
Treat. Do you want a treat? Buddy, treat.
Look. Treat. It's down here. Buddy, look. Treat. Buddy, look.
Shut up. There's people going past. Gonna get ya. Buddy. Buddy. Buddy.
What's David?
Buddy. Help.
Buddy, help him. No, not that way.
Help. Help me, buddy. I'm stuck.
Come on, buddy. Buddy, this way. Come here. Oh, he's scared. Buddy.
Oh, he wants to go back in.
In.
Shall I go in? Come on. Buddy, look. What's this? Buddy! Buddy! Come on!
Treat? Want a treat?
Let's see if he actually goes in.
Buddy? Look, puppies.
He's just gonna carry on eating that grass, eh? And we bring him in. Scare him? What the hell? That's not how you bring a dog in.
I can't get you.
Why is she scaring him now? That isn't gonna help him. Oh my god.
Buddy?
Buddy!
Do you want a treat?
Amy, get him.
I can't.
Why are you bashing on that and scaring him when you could have got him? That's not nice. Animal cruelty.
How is it animal cruelty? I'm not even hitting him.
Ah! No!
No! Ah! Yes! Yes! Got him! Got him!
Yay!
Oh.
Right, come on, bring him in.
Right,
Yay.
how are we going to wipe his paws?